Looking for more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 more beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience required. Whether you're a creative or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Let's jump in. First up is social media graphics. Every business, big or small, needs eye-catching visuals to stand out on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. As a social media graphic designer, you'll create posts, banners, and stories that grab attention and drive engagement. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop, which are beginner-friendly and widely used. Many businesses are willing to pay $20 to $100 per hour for someone who can create professional-looking graphics. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or reach out to local businesses that might need help with their social media presence. With a little practice, you can turn this skill into a steady income stream. Next is event planning. Whether it's a corporate event or a wedding, people are always looking for help organizing their special occasions. As an event planner, you'll handle everything from budgeting to vendor coordination. Start by learning the basics of event planning, including how to create timelines and manage budgets. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per event, depending on the scale and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Thumbtack or reach out to local businesses that host events. With a bit of networking and marketing, you can build a reputation and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy organizing and want to help others create unforgettable experiences. Third is resume writing. With so many people looking for jobs, a well-written resume can make all the difference. As a resume writer, you'll help clients showcase their skills and experience in a way that stands out to employers. Start by learning about resume formats and industry-specific keywords. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per resume, depending on the level of expertise required. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or LinkedIn. With a bit of practice, you can build a reputation and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy writing and want to help others achieve their career goals. Fourth is virtual assistants. As more businesses go remote, the demand for virtual assistants who can handle tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer support is skyrocketing. Start by learning tools like Trello for task management or Calendly for scheduling. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour for virtual assistant services, depending on the complexity of the tasks. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to entrepreneurs and small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Finally, let's talk about YouTube thumbnail design. With millions of creators on YouTube, standing out is crucial, and a great thumbnail can make all the difference. As a thumbnail designer, you'll create eye-catching visuals that drive clicks and views. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop, which are perfect for beginners. Many YouTubers pay $10 to $50 per thumbnail, and some even offer ongoing work for consistent designs. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to YouTubers directly. With a bit of practice, you can turn this skill into a steady income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose social media graphics, event planning, resume writing, virtual assistants, or YouTube thumbnail design, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.